Hey, I'm here in the back bed and I've got this first year mullein. Some of you have followed my journey with this mullein. It's a biennial plant. It's gonna have this beautiful yellow stalk. I'm hoping that this mullein, this dense mullein, will be really nice and overwinter in this container. Not all plants like to overwinter in a container. I'm pretty sure you should not use it as cowboy toilet paper. It does feel a little bit like it's soft to touch, but you can tell how it's got an irritation, almost like insulation soft, the fiberglass kind of vibe. So I'm just pulling a little bit out, and I figured because it's the first year, everything I've been reading about it is how much mucilage it has and a lot of benefits of it. There are studies that show that mucilage is a very beneficial chemical for humans. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of the best leaves and I'm gonna let it air dry in the kitchen. And my understanding is it does not take that long to air dry, whereas, you know, basil plants can take a little while. And I'm gonna leave some leaves on it. I don't wanna kill the plant. I mean, I haven't taken that much. There's plenty to go around. I am gonna cut around here and let this chop and drop somewhat, but I think that's a good amount. I've almost filled up this basket. I mean, I'm noticing I still have carrots back here. Let's pull one. Woo! Nice, that's gonna be our snack right now as we dry this mullein. Gardening's awesome. Like, how many jobs can you just be like, yeah, I'm gonna go pull some mullein. Oh, look, a carrot. I think that's good. I got about 40 leaves or so. I don't wanna go crazy. Mullein, dense mullein. What's up, Doc?